Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to recover deleted message on Facebook. Maybe you delete your message and you want to recover them, and you don't know how to do this. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to do that. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to go to your Facebook and log in. Once you're done logging in your Facebook, on your Facebook page here, all you need to do is to click on the three line at the on the top of your screen. Click on that. Once you click on the three lines, you scroll down, click on settings and privacy. When you're settings and privacy here, you click on settings. On your settings, you click on see more. Here you are clicking on information and permissions. Here you are clicking on download information. Here you are clicking on specific information. Here you are clicking on message. Click on next. Here you are clicking on download to device. So you are clicking on so it's going to be notified to your Gmail. This is my Facebook. Click on create file. Your information has been prepared for download. So that's it on how to download your messages on Facebook. They are going to be sending you a Gmail on your device of the messages that you have deleted on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, because come to the very end of the video, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we make more helpful videos like this on this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.